A welcome email is one of the most powerful tools in email marketing. It's the first message your subscribers see, and it sets the tone for your entire relationship. But writing the perfect welcome email can feel overwhelming. What do you say? How do you make it engaging? And how do you get people to take action? That's where AI Scale Stack comes in. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use its custom AI tools to instantly create a professional, persuasive welcome email. The system is designed to introduce you to your audience, share your story, and invite them to take the next step without you having to write a single word yourself. The best part is that once your welcome email is set up, it runs on autopilot. Every new subscriber gets the same warm introduction, creating consistency and building trust, even while you're busy or sleeping. With AI Scale Stack, you don't need writing skills, you don't need a product, and you don't need complicated tech. Just plug in the system, let the AI craft your welcome message, and start building real relationships with your list right away. And remember, it comes with a money back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. If you're ready to set up your AI powered welcome email today, sign up using my link in the description and let AI Scale Stack do the hard work for you.